Huawei is set to launch the Mate 80 series smartphones in China soon. The lineup is rumored to debut with the Kirin 9030 chip, which should deliver better performance than the Kirin 9020 used in the Mate 70. A new leak from China now claims that the chip might also power a gaming phone. Chinese tipster Satsuna Digital on Weibo suggests that the Kirin 9030 could appear inside a gaming-focused Huawei phone sometime in early 2026. However, the same tipster also claims that the Kirin 9030 will be built on a process equivalent to 3 nanometers, which is where things start to fall apart. China currently doesn't have access to the advanced EUV tools needed to mass-produce chips at or below the 5 nanometers level. SMIC, the semiconductor company that manufactures Huawei's chips, is still relying on older equipment and has so far only managed to ship chips made on a 7 nanometers process. There have been occasional reports of progress toward a 5 nanometers node, but developing something in a lab is very different from producing millions of units at consistent yields. Mobile camera concept to design. Because China is restricted from purchasing next-generation EUV machines, there's no clear path for SMIC to jump to anything close to the 3 nanometers technology used by companies like TSMC. And unless China's in-house EUV project makes sudden breakthroughs, a 3 nanometers class Kirin chip simply isn't realistic today. Kirin chipset. Performance expectations for the Kirin 9030 also suggest a more grounded picture. Early speculation points to speeds somewhere between Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This puts Huawei comfortably behind the newest flagship chips, including the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 MediaTek's Dimensity 9500, Apple's A19 Pro, and Samsung's upcoming Exynos.